To cancel a follow request on Instagram, there are two methods you can use depending on your situation. If you know the username of the person to whom you sent the follow request, simply go to their profile by clicking the search icon and entering their name. Once on their profile, tap Requested, and the follow request will be cancelled. If you're unsure of the usernames or want to view all your pending follow requests, there's a way to access a list. Start by navigating to your profile by selecting the profile icon at the bottom right. Open the menu by tapping the three lines in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Within the settings, choose Account Center. At the top, scroll down to Your Information and Permissions, and select Download Your Information. Next, choose Download or Transfer Information, and then select Some of Your Information. Scroll down to Connections, choose All, and tap Next. Make sure to specify a date range that includes the time your follow requests were sent. For example, if the requests were sent in the past year, select Last Year. Save your changes. Specify your email for notifications. Select HTML as the format, and click Create File. Instagram will begin compiling the data, which may take some time. Once it's ready, return to the Download Your Information screen, where you'll find your request under Available Downloads. Tap Download, enter your password, and a browser will launch to download the data. After downloading, locate the file in your device's Files or Downloads folder. The data will be in a zipped file, so extract it to access its contents. Open the folder, navigate to Connections, and find the file labeled Pending Follow Requests. This file will list all pending follow requests, including the usernames and the dates they were sent. To cancel a request, click on the listed name, which will redirect you to their Instagram profile. From there, you can tap Requested to cancel the follow request. These steps will help you effectively manage and cancel follow requests.